Hi, it is Miss Candleberry. I'm here with your explanation today for your work. So we're going to start with writing, and what you're going to do is you're going to click this little link, and it's going to take you to Miss Chambers' opinion writing lesson. Okay, so you're going to go here, and it says transitional phrases and inventions. So even though the date is different, she did this one specifically for inventions, is my understanding. Okay, you're gonna watch it. You're now when you send me your work, I shouldn't see like the Oreo on the side. Instead, I should see how it's all looks like it's one piece of writing with paragraphs and everything, kind of like I started. So, in other words, you're gonna have your introduction, then you're gonna go to a new paragraph with each of your reasons, and then your example or your evidence that goes with that reason should be in the same paragraph. Before here, I'll finish this. I'll show you what I mean. For the printing press, people, this is true, to handwrite books, which took forever. So I put my reason first in the paragraph, then I put the evidence that goes with the reason, and then I would start a new paragraph. All right. You can also look at Miss Chambers' teacher example by clicking on this link. So here's her teacher example. The other thing that you can do is you can, if you need help with your lead, that beginning part to make it more interesting, like Miss Candleberry would probably do it. You can click here to rewatch that video about strong leads. And then, of course, there is also this checklist. Now, I clicked on the checklist today, and it's not working. So what I'll do is down here in the event later on in a little while after I post this video, I will post a working link to the writing checklist. Okay. The next thing you're going to do today is social studies, and that's what this side of the paper is for. So social studies, you're going to watch this video from Miss Candleberry, and then you're going to fill out this activity sheet. Now, my suggestion is if you have a printer, print this and have it with you while you watch the lesson so that you can write your answers. If you don't have a printer and you're on a laptop or some other form of computer that's not a tablet or a phone, then my suggestion is for you to, when you open up click the activity sheet, which is what this is, you can pull it into another window. So see how it's a tab right now? Here's the video. Here's the sheet. I'm going to click on the tab for the sheet, and I'm just going to pull it over here to the side. And now I can see both so that I can write my answer while I'm watching the video. Okay? And again, let's look at this. So you do not need to write the whole sheet again. You can just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you find an answer, you can just, when you notice one of these words in the video, one of these first come, first serve, contest, authority, sharing, prize, majority rule, force, lottery. When you notice one of those words in the video, pause the video, look at the sheet, and then decide which one of these answers fits that one. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, and if you think like 4 is A, you would write A. But I can tell you right now that that is not the right answer. I just wrote that down randomly. So again, you do not need to write everything out. You can just write A, okay? Now, what happens if you have a tablet? Well, guess what? It's a little harder for you, let's be honest. If you have a tablet and you can't print, then what you're going to want to do is to watch the video, pause it when you get to a part where you might recognize one of these words, and then click on your tab and then find it and do it that way, and then come back to the video and unpause. It's a little bit more tricky because you have to go back and forth from one tab to the other tab. But that is pretty much it. And after you're done, you're going to take a picture and you're going to upload it to Class Dojo. I will tell you that I noticed only when I was like right before I made this video that force is one that is not in Miss Candleberry's teaching. So if you're, let me repeat that again. If you're looking for force, it's not in my video. Well, Miss Candleberry, then how will we know what the answer is? That's easy. You'll answer the rest of them, and guess what? The one left over will make sense when you look at force. And you know what the word force means. I don't mean like the force like in Star Wars. I mean, if you force someone to do it, do they have a choice? No. So, that I think you'll be able to tell which one it is. Okay? When we say force. All right? So, that is our work for today. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment boxes here. Again, in just a little while, I will put a better link for the writing there. Okay? All right, guys, have a great day. And if also, by the way, if I ever get the special, I'll look to see if the specials board is here and I'll post it here too, since I'm still having problems with the website. All right, guys, have a great day.